Why do some people seem to achieve everything they dream of, while others stay stuck in the same place? The secret is not luck, it is vision. What if I told you that you have the power to shape your future by just creating a simple yet powerful tool? A tool that has helped countless people to manifest their biggest dreams. People like Oprah, Beyonce, and Jim Carrey. And guess what? You can do it too. It is called a vision board. In fact, studies have shown that writing down your dreams makes you 42% more likely to achieve them. In this video, I will show you exactly how to create one for 2025 and how to turn those dreams to reality. So grab your favorite drink and let's get started. Welcome back to Diverse Discovery. If you are new here, I am Rashida Al-Hassan, and this is the place where we dive deep into personal growth, relationship, health, documentaries, and everything that helps you live your best life. So do well to hit the subscribe button to join this amazing family. Today we are talking about how to create a vision board for 2025 that would help you to manifest your biggest dreams. But first thing first, what exactly is a vision board? Simply put, it is a collection of images, words, and symbols that represent your goals, your dreams, and your desires. It is like a visual reminder of what you want to achieve. But why does it work? Well, it is all about focus. When you see your goals every day, you are training your brain to stay focused on them. It's like planting seeds in your mind and watering them every time you glance on the board. Over time, those seeds grow into real results. It also keeps you motivated on the tough days. And the truth here is that when you see your goals every day, your mind starts finding ways to make it happen. Think about this. Have you ever bought a new car and suddenly you start seeing that car everywhere? That is your mind focusing on what is important to you. A vision board does the same thing. It programs your brain to notice opportunities, ideas, and people that would help you achieve your dreams. Now, the first thing you have to do is to reflect on 2024. You have to learn before you leap, right? So before you start creating your vision board, take a moment and reflect on 2024. Grab a notebook or just think, what did you learn this year? What worked? What didn't? Maybe you had goals you didn't reach. That is okay. Instead of beating yourself up, ask yourself, why? Were those goals really aligned with what you want? Or did life throw a few curveballs? 2023, I set a goal to start a big project, but halfway through, I realized that it wasn't what I wanted. First, I felt like I have failed, but then I realized that clarity is progress too. What about you? What is one thing you have learned this year? By reflecting, you set your intention. Before you grab the scissors and the magazines, start with intention. Ask yourself, what do I really want in 2025? Is it financial freedom, better health, stronger relationship? Be specific. You might be thinking, so Rash, how do I know what I really want? Right? So close your eyes and picture your ideal life. What do you see? Write it down. Maybe you want to save 10,000 cedis by the end of 2025. Instead of just saying save money, write I would save 10,000 cedis in my savings by December 2025. That is very clear, right? Don't just say I want to be successful. What does success look like? Is it a promotion? Is it a new home? Inner peace? What does success mean to you? Let me share an example. My friend, let's call her Amma for now. She wanted to travel more, but her goal was just travel. So nothing happened. So this year she decided to change it. I will visit Cape Coast in June and Paris in November. Guess what? She visited Cape Coast and Paris because her goal was clear. So you have to be specific. Next, you gather your supplies. This part is where the magic begins. You will need a board. Any size will do. Some scissors, glue, paint, push pins, old magazines. You can even go digital if that is your thing. Pinterest and Canva works wonders. Don't forget your markers, your stickers, or anything that makes you smile. And make sure you put on your favorite high life music. Light a candle and turn it into a whole vibe. You are not just creating a board, you are creating your future. You choose powerful images and words. This is where you need to dig deep. Don't just slap any picture on the board. Choose images that makes your heart race, words that gives you goosebumps. If you want a new job, for example, find a picture of someone working in your dream role. If you want peace, get an image of a serene beach. The motive here is to choose what speaks to you. I remember adding the word courage to my vision board a few years ago. I wasn't sure why, but I felt drawn to it. That year, I took risk I never thought I could. So trust your intuition. You choose your categories. Organize your board into categories to cover all areas of your life. For example, career and finances. What job or income goals do you want? Health and wellness. Are you aiming to get fit or eat healthier? Relationship and love. Do you want to strengthen your current relationships or find new ones? Then personal growth. What skills or habits do you want to develop? Then travel and adventure. Where do you want to go? What are your top 5 categories for 2025? Write them down and let's move to the fun part. Now it is time for magic. Cut out the images, the codes, and words that align with your goals. Then paste it on the board, following the categories I mentioned earlier. Once it is done, you don't hide it away. Put your vision board somewhere. You will see it every day, maybe on your desk or beside your bed. Every morning, take a moment to look at it. Feel the emotions of already having those things. This is not just about looking, it is about feeling. Feel the joy, feel the excitement, feel the pride. Next, you take action. Dreams needs work. A vision board is not just a magic wand. You just can't stare at it and expect things to happen. You have to put in the work. But the thing here is that when you are clear about what you want, the action feels easier. You will be motivated because you can see your dreams right in front of you. Start small. If one of your goals is exercise, start with a 10-minute walk. If it is to save money, put aside 20 cedis in a week. Small steps lead to bigger results. Finally, trust the process. Be patient. Sometimes things take longer than we expect, but that doesn't mean they are not happening. There is a Ghanaian proverb that says, patience can move mountains. Your dreams are cooking. Trust me. Keep believing, keep working, and they would come. Here's your challenge today. Create your vision board this week. Take a picture and put it where you see it every day. And if you are feeling bold, share it with a friend for accountability. If you enjoyed this video, you would love my next one. 2025 is the year you should bet on yourself. Check out the link here. Or you can get the list to this Vlogmas series in the description box below. Hit the subscribe button, share the video with your family, friends, and your loved ones. Drop your thoughts down in the comment section below. And let's make 2025 best year yet. Until next time, keep exploring, stay inspired, and keep discovering. I'll see you guys soon. For now, bye.